talaga. Kami kapatid. Just clinic.
Ay, sorry.
It's okay, ate.
We're already going to attack.
Remember, ate, Castle. Oh no, remember Castle. What is that, Lian? Knight. Okay. Good move. Think first before you move, right? After you develop your pieces, make a plan how to attack your opponent. It's good to be a positional player before you attack. You must develop all your pieces, ate. Connecting rooks, right? Connecting rook. Lolo always taught the good. Wow, good move.
Then there's good, right?
Yeah. He's attacking. Right, good. He's attacking your knight. Good. It's a pretty good.
Jack.
Check. Wow. Check. Chup. One piece yet. Always said check because it's a sport. Once you take the king, you said check. Out of check, ate. Good. Touch move, Lian. Once you touch the piece, you must move it, right?
It's only 5 minutes.
Oh, it's only 5 minutes. Oh, good. Okay, it's a blitz. So you think?
I think in tournament we're gonna play Blitz.
Yeah, you have also a blitz in tournament, right? Concentrate, ate. Don't forget to punch. Wow, good. He's attacking your rook. Okay. Ate forgot to punch your plot, ate. Don't forget. Okay.
I have more official than Arthur.
Oh,
Doesn't have.
yeah, you have two piece. Yes, you have more materials than ate, right? Because ate two piece ate. Remember? Okay, it's good. Oh, don't forget to punch ate your flag. Yeah. Okay. Ate, don't forget to punch, ate. Focus, focus. Good.
Should I move the queen or what? I need to.
What?
Others said,
Yes.
should I move the queen or what?
If she move the king, she's queenless. Oh. Yeah? No. If you check that, the bishop will capture your queen. No. It's noisy. Plan to checkmate Leia. How to plan to checkmate your opponent. Oh no. Ate. Well, dude. No. Now back.
No, on the timer.
On timer? How many times? How?
Abba has
Asa na?
17 seconds. That's why no on timer.
17 seconds. How about Julian? Remaining
2
time?
minutes.
Oh,
And 20
seconds.
20 seconds.
Oh, so long than Ate. Ate did not think well because oh no, bad move. Right, punch Ate. Don't go to punch. Oh,
Clock na lang.
no clock?
Ate la.
Ah, well, no.
No.